हाय फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? भाई पहले अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूं। माय नेम इज CS एंड CFA गौतम बेरी। भाई पिछले 22 सालों से आई एम टीचिंग CA फाउंडेशन क्लासेस, CA इंटर क्लासेस। Guys, I'm just giving you one great news for CA foundation students, specifically for August 20 batch. I am bringing my CA foundation revision classes for August 20 batch absolutely free of cost through LectureWala app. So guys, visit the LectureWala site, get yourself registered, अपनी registration करवाइए और get the opportunity to avail those classes absolutely free of cost. Absolutely free of cost, guys. You will absolutely love the way of the classes. Why? Because the entire revision will be done in 15 days. Yes, you're right. Entire revision will be done in 15 days. From 15 June to 30th June, I'm coming absolutely live with on-the-spot query session. Yes, guys, you are hearing it right. On-the-spot doubt session. Live classes होंगी 15 से लेकर 30 जून तक की आपके पास 100% live classes होंगी and you can revise your entire syllabus. Go now, register yourself, guys. Don't waste your time. The date is 15 June. 15 June से लेकर 30 जून तक. Okay? चलिए, all the best. God bless you, बच्चा लोग. Bye. God bless you.